Hello guys, welcome back to App. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to build a Wix website for sports club. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So you might be wondering, how do you get started here on creating your website or your own website here for your sports club in Wix? Well, creating a website in Wix is fairly easy because of how Wix is actually built. So you don't have to worry about those complete stuff. We'll be discussing you the basics here and how do you get started on building one. So first things first is you want to have or you want to visit the Wix website first, which is wix.com, and you want to create your account or log in into your account if you already have one. But yeah, in this case, once you've done that, as you can see, I'm already in my dashboard here. So if you're redirected to your dashboard, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and click on create new site at the top right. You want to choose Wix editor. Now, by the way, there are different tools that you can access within Wix. So we have like, if I'm not mistaken, they have like Wix Studio as well, but that's for advanced stuff. So if you want to only get the basics here and really help you, or in this case, let you help or let Wix help you on editing your website, I would recommend you to use Wix Editor here. Let's go and choose that one. Now, by the way, if you've just recently created your account, it might redirect you to this page immediately, what you're currently seeing right now. So it's going to ask you if you want to create your website using AI. But in our case, since we want to really dig into how creating your website in Wix here, let's go and choose set up without chat. And what we need to do here is you want to specify what you're trying to build. So since we are aiming on building a sports club, we want to really specify that. So let's go and choose our search here and just enter sports club. Now it's going to give you different suggestions here, like team fan club, sports and fitness club, sports team, and a lot more. Now again, you want to choose which one is specifically that you want to build here, because this will actually influence what you could actually add with your website. Now, for example, if you're a soccer club here, choose soccer club, but let's just choose sports club here as a generalization. Like for example, we are interested in different sports. Let's go and click on continue. Now from here, it's going to start generating your dashboard here, but typically it just takes like a few seconds, so you don't have to worry about it. But once your dashboard has been created, we've just now created the start of our website. Now first, it's going to ask you what's the name of your business. So for example, I'm just going to say this is going to be like a sports club. It's going to add it by default here, and you could add your business address as well. But let's go and click on continue. And from here, it's going to say set your default working hours. So you could go ahead and basically specify that here. So if you don't have any working hours, you could go and skip this one for now. So in this case, since it's just a sports club, you could go and skip this one. But some sports clubs have their own like offices. So go ahead and specify that and your active hours. Let's go and click on continue. And also you have the option to start adding services here. So you have like tennis coach, coaching sessions, or personal training, football and footwork, open gym training package here, and a lot more. So this is just suggestions here. So for example, I just want to add one like personal training, and maybe I want to add like training package as well. And you can add your own service as well by clicking create new service. But let's go and discuss that later on. Let's go and click on continue. And from here, you could add your staff. Like if you hired someone to manage your club, you could add like staff members here. You could add their email address to stay informed. Make sure that you have their consent first when you're adding your email here. But yeah, you could go and add your staff here, add their name and email as well. But let's go and click on continue. You're good with this one. And you could also add like what do you do on your business. Like you could add offer, or you could offer like virtual sessions. You can accept online payments here, accept in-person payments, manage your services and bookings on the go, and a lot more. Obviously, this actually depends on what you are, how you're running your sports club. But let's go and click on continue for now. And yeah, let's go and click on continue to dashboard. Now once we've done that, we are now ready to start really editing our website here. So it's not yet finished. We need to set up a few things here still. Now the great thing about Wix here is you can actually see a number of things that you could actually do within your Wix website. So in this case, you have setting up your working hours, set up your pricing plans here. But what's the most important one here is before you proceed on, like for example, adding apps, setting up your products or services here, is to design your site first. So you could either click on design your website here under design site, or just click on design site top right here, either in the setup or home page here. But yeah, so you have two options on designing your site. You have the customized template, so you can go and choose a template, or you can design with AI. But let's go and pick a template. And again, based on what we just entered here, it's going to suggest us different templates that we could use here. So some of them are free, some of them are paid. So you may want to choose one that actually is for you. So in my case, maybe I want to choose one that's something quite similar to us. Let's go and choose one for this one, like recreation sports facility here. Let's go and click on the edit. And from here, it's going to apply that template into our website. Now, obviously, there's a lot of tools that you can access here on your Wix website. Like, for example, you can add like images, text, and a drag and drop option, which in this case makes it a lot easier for us to really customize our site. So in this case, first we're going to add a Wix bookings, like as you can see before, like it actually asks us what services we want to add in here. It's going to add Wix bookings first, so that's why I actually ask you to first design your site, because again, they need to add those first before it actually works into your website. So the UI aspect or the front page aspect of your website. So first things first is the dev site. So we have a lot of tools here, but if you click on the site design here, you could actually choose a site theme here and change this one. So if you don't like this color, you can go and choose another one like Savvy here. It's going to change things. You have this one, Natural. You have like warm colors here as well. So you could go and enable that. You can even like select the background. Let's go and choose one here, Tangy. Yeah, so maybe this one. Let's go. You could go and select the background here later on. We'll be showing you how to edit that. But yeah. In here at the website, you have add elements. This is where you add your text, images, buttons, and in this case, they do a bunch of other things here depending on what you add. So you have images. You need to upload your own image. Now sections is just like pre-made elements or just sections that you could use immediately on your website. So if you want to rapidly add content, this is how you do about it. If you want to add pages, you go to site pages and menus here. You also have like what we visited before, site design, general color, the text theme, page background, page transitions, and whatnot. You also have the option to add like apps. So anything that is currently not available, or in this case, features that is not available right now on Wix, you could add that as an app. Just be wary, some apps here are paid, so just don't just randomly install some app here. Just make sure that you're still within budget here. But yeah, so once you've designed your website here, you go and click on publish at the top right here, or just click on save here if you don't want to publish it yet. Let's go and click on save and continue here. You just have the default one that we currently have like for Wix. Let's go and click on done. And let's go ahead and click on site at the top left here, and let's go ahead and click on my dashboard. Now in the my dashboard here, this is where you manage some information about your site. So if you click on catalog here, this is where you'll be able to like view your booking services like what we added before. You can also see your pricing plans here and gift cards, and yeah, so anything regarding your business, pricing, gift cards, booking channels, this is how you manage them. So if you click on booking sales services here and click one of the services that you offer, you can edit like the appointment, the type here, like either appointment or class or course. You can add a name or change the name here, the tagline, description, the duration for it, and the price and payment here. So obviously, there's a lot of information that you need to add here depending on what services you're offering right now. Now, if you want to access, like for example, let's click on leave without saving here. If you click on sales here, this actually allows you to see the people that ordered on your website, the subscriptions, the gift card sales, any payments, analytics regarding your site or regarding sales. This is how you view them. You have your booking calendar as well if you want to view the people that booked classes with you. But yeah, so you have the booking list, work schedule as well, like if you want to manage the people currently working right now. So in this case, you can manage them in here. And yeah, so those are the basics here and getting started here with Wix with your sports club. Obviously, there's a lot more that you need to learn with how Wix actually work here. But generally speaking, everything is laid out really simple. Usually, they have like really close keywords on what you need to do here. So those are the things that to get you working here, and that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you like and subscribe to Lenap. Thank you for watching.